Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself. So if you enjoy these Pepe updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button if you have not done so already, but let's get right into it. So looking at the price of Pepe, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 1045, down about 0.4% as mentioned in USD comparative, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Market cap is at about $4.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 1.2 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the holder counts, 294,200 holders for Pepe, and we know pretty much since the year start we've seen the Pepe holder count increasing day by day. And what does this show us? This shows us people are adding Pepe into their portfolio, and this does not take into account wallets that are of exchanges. So we need to keep that factor in mind as well. But now let's take a look at what's happening with the broader meme coin market. And if you follow the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, we know that the meme coins have been going insane. Look at the last 7 days. Majority of the coins right now are up. But of course we did see that weekly close happen. So obviously this has been updated as well. But pretty much over the course of the last week, we have been seeing, week and a half, we've been seeing, quite a significant amount of gain, coming along for, altcoins. I'm sorry, for meme coins specifically. And look at Dogecoin, the king of the meme coins, up 26.5%. Pepe still remaining as the top third coin. Of course, a lot of people start comparing Pepe to the likes of, some of these other coins that are going up double digits. And again, we need to remember some of these coins did not move, and it's their time to, kind of pick up traction. And this is why diversification, number one, is key. But as of now, at the way things are going, Pepe still seems to be the one in the lead in terms of new meme coins, to really get to that high market valuation, such as $10 billion. And, it has almost, received some crazy market valuations over the course of the last few months. And I still do believe Pepe will do some big things because of the narrative. It's something new, something we haven't seen. Yeah, either it's going to be a cat coin or Pepe, in my honest opinion. But of course, only time is going to tell. Anything can happen. But with that said, guys, let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So, if you're looking at Bitcoin Dominance Index, you guys can see the Bitcoin Dominance Index has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, which in return, I believe, is causing, the altcoins to actually, have a chance to move up. Looking at Bitcoin, we know about Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing. And, this is something that I drew out yesterday. What I said was that even though things are looking extremely bullish, and I'm extremely bullish for the space right now, but we cannot override the elections that are coming up next month. And I do believe even if Bitcoin is able to retest $70,000 or even an all-time high, this would not come as a surprise to me at all if we do see a complete shakeout leading into the election, because sell the news event, obviously uncertainty still quite high. So those are some things that I'm looking out for. And, basically, if you are, making some massive gains within the crypto space over the course of the last 2 weeks, lock some profits in just in case, right? That way, your risk factor decreases, and you take some profits off of the table. At the end of the day, it's never a bad idea when you are locking some profits in. But nonetheless, Bitcoin looking absolutely amazing. Even though it's Saturday, we do know on the weekend CME futures are closed. But despite that fact, Bitcoin is looking absolutely amazing. But if you're looking at Pepe, this chart looks absolutely amazing right now. So pretty much, let me just kind of take you guys down memory lane. We know what happened at the beginning of February. Pretty much parabolic type of moves happening in just a matter of 2 to 3 months as the year started. We saw Pepe hitting a new all-time high back in May at 1714. Since that 1714 zone, obviously we know major retest down to 66% from its all-time high. But you want to take a look at this. So last month in September, we actually saw 1189 retest, saw a retest back down, which was a 30% drop. Anyone that accumulated Pepe at that specific price point is up right now about 34%. Yes, you've heard that correct. And right now, as the price of Pepe is trying to break towards the upside, you can see previous all-time highs, has caused major resistance. So, you really want to see Pepe breaking out of this key resistance to start heading towards the September high. If September high is able to break out, I think we could be testing July levels, which of course is where you want to see Pepe price really heading. If we are able to clear out of that, I think an all-time high conversation starts. But so far, so good. At the end of the day, this is the meme coin. If you look across the board, a lot of meme coins, including the big ones such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, have gone down in the likes of 65% from its all yearly highs, and that's what's happening with Pepe. And this is where meme coins, you really understand why the meme coins are so attractive. Of course, when it comes to the hot moments when things heat up, these meme coins do tend to perform quite well. But when things turn around, they do go down quite a bit. So you don't want to let your profits sit on the table for no reason. But I'm liking the setup. Obviously, I would like to see Pepe retesting the July levels, and then of course from that point the key resistance at the 1460. After that, I think things can really get exciting. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Love you all. See you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.